A split here that's a leaker. It's 410A. He's gonna go turn it on. Leaks out every couple of years. He's got to put a little bit in it. So I was here the other day. It was iced. I had to come back. Oh, we'll give it a little. How you doing? 410. Both of these are low side, so you can't put anything on the high side because the high side's inside. So we're just gonna worry about the low side. I'm not worried about the high. Let me split here. I know it's gonna be low on gas because I was here the other day and it was up to stop, so. Yeah, see, we're going down to 26 there, see it?
It's supposed to be 100 something.
Above 100.
Yeah, that's really low.
That's why it's icing. 13 degrees is crazy low temperatures.
Yeah, so then it ices the line in the room and then it starts dripping. That's kind of what was happening the last time we did this. Because the condensation, especially when there's a hot humid.
11 degrees. Wow, 11 psi. I'll show you what that's crazy low temperatures. Let me get a little bit of how you doing here. Get it on high. It sounds like it's ramped up, yeah?
It's running, yeah.
.11 psi, right?
Yep.
410's the third column over. 11 psi. Minus 40.
Minus 40 the line was getting because of the low PSI?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that'll cause some condensation.
You think? Yeah.
So when the refrigerant goes down,
It lower the pressure.
it lowers the pressure because none of
PSI, 11 PSI.
Interesting.
Minus 40. That's really low. Inside fans running, you said, right?
Yep, running on high.
You could hear it running?
Yep. And I got the temp down to like 64, so it should be more cool. Normally okay to spray those fins with water just to clean them off a little on the side of the
Say that again?
Just to like rinse the fins out just in case
Yeah,
there's
if they
any
get
dust buildup.
dirty, don't look dirty to me.
Yeah, that side's clean. I think the other one over there.
If it gets dirty, don't hurt to rinse it off every so often, you know.
Yeah.
Give it a hosing.
Yeah. I try to keep all the plants that grow over there all the time.
Yeah, so that is probably upstairs somewhere where we bent the pipe or something that might be a loose connection at the, you know, the flare joints or something like that. Can you get to all the stuff, or it's all like behind?
It's all.
It's all exposed.
It's all exposed. There's like some coverings around it, but
Best thing to do is take the covering off and see if you can see any oil.
Oil would be leaking out.
Yeah, you'd see oil.
Interesting.
All right, so you see we're above 100 now.
Yep.
Oh, she just shut off. What do you got the temperature set at up there?
64. Should be still running. Let me go check.
Yeah, she shut down.
We'll take a peek. Still blowing on high, Steve.
What's it set at?
Set at 64 cool, which is the lowest it can go.
And what's the temperature in the room?
Feels pretty warm, Feels cool what's blowing out, but definitely not cold.
Yeah, cause she might have got satisfied and shut down.
Right.
Well, we did get a charge, and then she's probably satisfied.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking because
It won't go any lower.
It's kind of cool. Yeah.
Well, we got it. It was working all right, so we did get the charge in it.
Yeah, I think that's good. Probably what you need. 64.
We're on heat mode. We're switching back over to cooling. These are both low side. I'm gonna make sure that's above 100 here on this.
Oh yeah, it's blowing now.
Yeah, we're just gonna make sure that it's all right here.
Yeah.
Just kind of going by eye here. See what 130 is fine, as long as it stays there. Kind of getting it close here, you know. It's not perfect. We got good suction pressure here at 130.
Say that again?
We got good suction pressure here at 130, so that should be fine. It's pumping out nice cool air.
Yep. Good.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. 120 on the suction, that's good. TXV's regulating here. About 7 on the superheat. You don't want it flooding back, obviously, right? You gotta make sure. It's looking good there.
She looks good.